We got to talk about Hurricane Joaquin because it is a bad storm. It's a dangerous storm, Category 4 major hurricane, 130-mile-per-hour sustained winds over the Bahamas right now, our next door neighbors. It's not headed toward us. It's going to make a north turn today. However, it's just not good news for Cricket Island, Long Island, the eastern Bahama Islands. The saving grace for us, though, is this cold front. This is the panhandle right now. That's going to act like a hurricane blocker. That's going to bump Joaquin away from us and really the United States. But unfortunately for the Bahamas, it is going to continue to batter them for the next 6 hours or so. Still a Category 4 storm this afternoon, but see how it hooks to the north and heads out to sea. Check this out. The track is significantly more in favor for the northeastern United States. It remains a Category 3 through the weekend, but the track is shifting way eastward. Still a lot of uncertainty, of course, but it looks a lot better for the northeastern United States right now. For us at home, we are going to have some indirect impacts, some very large swells Saturday and Sunday. That means water piling up on our beaches. Waves will be breaking over your head. There will be dangerous surf out there, so probably the only people in the water will be surfers. So please be careful. Maybe spend the beach day on the sand this weekend. Satellite and radar is clear. We don't have any rain right now. We don't have any clouds. Rain chances are low today. It's going to still feel like summer today, though. Hot and humid, highs around 90. Not much rain. Rain chances pretty low, so just a couple of isolated showers. It's all about tonight. Tonight, we're going to get our first taste of a little bit lower humidity. Yes, you see, low temperatures aren't significant or anything. We may flirt with 69 in Vero Beach, 67 in Okeechobee. Still mid-70s, though, for most everybody else, but it's the humidity that's going to take a break, and it's going to feel amazing tomorrow. It'll still be hot in the afternoon, especially in direct sunlight with highs in the 80s, but it's going to be breezy, and there's not going to be as much humidity. So Saturday and Sunday, I got to tell you, is going to be amazing. So make plans outside. It will be very breezy, but if you head to the beach, please be careful. It's not going to be safe to get into the water. It'll be nice on the shore, though. Sunday, a 30% chance for rain, a few showers possible, but low humidity sticks around through Monday.